hall. So this is the lecture hall in Richardson Memorial, which is the architecture building. It seats about 110 students. It's one of the biggest lecture halls on campus, and basically in like a lecture at Tulane, anywhere you go, the professor's going to be standing up at their podium, which is right over here, and it's kind of easy to get lost in the classroom, meaning that like if you're just sitting with a whole bunch of students, like you're kind of just going to blend in. But if you do a good job with sitting in the front or anywhere the professor can hear you if you're raising your hand, not just see you, that's a really good thing to do in a lecture hall. And a lot of like intro classes are going to be in lecture halls, whereas like the higher level classes, like any other university, is going to be taught in like a seminar room. And I can show y'all like a normal classroom, but this is a pretty good example of our lecture halls, because our lectures don't normally get that huge. They're normally capped at like 200 students, so like 100-person, 150-person lecture hall is standard size, and this one's normally pretty quiet, which is a perk of having a class in Richardson Memorial.